Delete Twitter account permanently. If any day and if you are a Twitter or the X user and you are quite frustrated of your Twitter or the X account and you would like to delete your Twitter or the X account permanently, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device, search X out there. After you search X out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very X application. After you tap on the very X application, X will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to go to the profile like icon on the top side. After you tap on this, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the settings and support. After you tap on settings and support, you have to then go to the option of the settings and privacy. After you go to the settings and privacy, now you have to go to the option of your account. After you go to the option of your account, now you have to go to the option of deactivate the account. After you go to deactivate account, you have to go to the option of deactivate and then just tap on your passport there and deactivate. So after you deactivate from the X account, nobody will see your X account, and after that you can just uninstall the very X application from your mobile device and never ever open the very account again, and this way your very account will be permanently deleted from the very X or the Twitter application. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.